Okay, what I made here was the candles are representing each plant that grew from the water right here. So there's a little water barrier, and I had to melt the candle wax down here to hold these ones in, and that's from the center tree exploding here. You can see the center one. But then you would have all the plants that had grown out of the water, and then all their little sproutlings, and that would have been their little moons and offshoots. So you would have had like the Hawaiian Islands out here, probably would have been from the canopy of this giant tree here, and dropped the fruit, and then it would have been able to grow and sprout. So I'll get a view from here, kind of see that that's a circle. I'll pause this for 1 second. And then on top, I had added my star map also. So now we have two 30-foot or 30-inch diameter corrugated pipe, and then I had put candles down there with water, and then also on the top, the stars get illuminated. You can see I mapped out the star pattern on the top of this plexiglass, and then those little dash marks are your degrees outward in increments of 10 from the center. And you can see like Ursa Minor, Ursa Major, the dragon constellation right there. And then this will spin on the top, and then the plants stay stationary on the bottom. Now the science experiment is I'm going to light the candles, and I think what's going to happen is when they burn down and the wax meets the water, it's going to form the continent shape, or relatively similar to our current continents. So, from all the way back, it's two 30-inch corrugated pipes. The bottom one is going to be stationary and full of water, and I'm going to simulate the plants growing from the water from before Armageddon, before the chaos, before the 9 gurus came.